Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add Fortigate Firewall to Fortimanager. So friends, you can see this is my Fortigate Firewall here. So I will add this firewall with my Fortimanager. So friends, you can see this is my Fortigate Firewall and this firewall I will add to Fortimanager. So you can see here Fortimanager. Now friends, we have 3 steps how to add Fortigate Firewall with Fortimanager. So first step will be we have to add from our Fortigate Firewall. Okay, now we have to click here. You can see in left side pane you can see security fabric. Just click here. Now we have to click on fabric connectors. Okay, just click here. Now you can see other Fortigate product here, Fortimanager. We have to click on that. Just click here. Okay, now we have to enable it. Just enable, or we have to keep in normal mode. Okay, now we have to provide our Fortimanager IP address 192.168.1.105. okay, now click on OK. Waiting for management confirmation from the Fortimanager administrator. Okay, so once the confirm, will full control Fortigate will be granted. Okay, now click on OK. So now you can see authorize is asking for authorization. We can click here for authorize. Okay, we can just click here to authorize it. From Fortimanager you can see this is my Fortimanager. It's asking Fortimanager username password to authorize it, or we can just authorize from Fortimanager. Okay, just go to Fortimanager. So you can see we have a request here, one unauthorized device. Just click here. So you can see this device. So we have to just select it and click on authorize. Okay, click on authorize here. So assign policy package, we can default it. Now click on OK. So device authorization is in progress here. You can see. So friends, you can see device authorization done and assigned policy package is done. Okay, now click on close. So friends, you can see here we have added our one VPN firewall, Fortigate firewall here. Okay, we have added here one firewall is added. Okay, you can see never installed policy package status, never installed here. Okay, so let me show you. Click on close. Now refresh it. So you can see Fortigate is authorized by Fortimanager. Okay, now click on close here. Now we can manage our Fortigate firewall from Fortimanager. Okay, so you can see our summary is serial number, IP address. Now you can see config synchronized here. Okay, we can monitor our security monitors, network monitor. Okay, systems, interfaces. So you can see my Fortigate firewall IP address is imported here. Okay, so friends, this is the first way to add here. Okay, now friends, in second way we can add from Fortimanager. Okay, so in device manager we have to click on add device, and then we have to select here discover device. Okay, now we have to put here our Fortigate firewall IP address. Okay, after that we have to provide the username and password, then it will be sync here. Okay, now in third step we have to select, click on add. Now we have to select add model device. So now we have to provide our serial number of our Fortigate firewall. Okay, let me show you Fortigate firewall serial number. So you can see this is my serial number. From here from this serial number I can add here. Okay, I can put here, and we have to provide our default package. We have to assign here. Okay, device model, it will automatically detect. Okay, we can put here our name like FW01. Now click on next. So you can see this serial number already exists here. Okay, so we have already added this. So friends, you can see we have imported this policy here. Okay, now we can create policy from here, and we can create objects. We can configure our interfaces from here. Okay friends, So friends, in this video we have seen how to add Fortigate Firewall to Fortimanager. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.